Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to draw a squirt gun. Now make sure that if you like this video, you turn on the notifications and click that subscribe button. So to start with our squirt gun, we are going to begin with the top part on here, and we're going to draw the part that actually is going to hold the water. So it's just it can be any shape. I'm just going to make a basic oval. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a nice big oval shape like this, and that's where it's going to hold the water. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes out and then down like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes in at a diagonal. And then I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight across. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve in here and connect with this line. Now for the handle, so starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out at a diagonal, and then another line here that goes down a little bit farther. And then I'm just going to connect these with kind of like some curved lines so they're not real pointy. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down at an angle and then comes over like this. And then I'm going to draw that same shape one more time. Now, up here, I want to draw the snout. So, I'm going to draw a line that goes here, down, and then over, kind of like a little rectangle. Then I'm going to make a little curved line right here, kind of like half of an oval. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes out, down, and then back in. Then up here, I'm going to draw two lines that come down just to kind of show where the bottle is being held on there. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down and then over. And then I'm just going to put some diagonal lines on here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves down and then back up for the trigger. And then I'm going to put a little curved line right here on it. Then here I'm going to draw just kind of like the same shape of the handle, just a little bit smaller, just for some extra detail. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes straight across, and then a line that goes down, small diagonal line, and then I'm just going to connect it. Then over here, I'm going to draw a little bit taller of an oval shape just to show where the water is going to come out. Then up here, I'm going to make a little half circle. And then I'm going to put like a little oval shape on top, just for a little spot for you to put the water in. Then back here, I'm going to add one more kind of circular shape just to kind of show where you can have extra water. And then I'm just going to put two little lines on here. Then you can make some water come out of this. I'm just going to draw just some kind of different squiggly lines like this, just to make it look like water shooting out. And there you go. There's your drawing of a squirt gun. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.